Might have one more, but never mind if I...
Same rules as usual, Foxy.
Yeah, never mind if I'm too late.
Alright, enjoy the ride. See you later, Foxy. Luke.
Hello, Adam. We've got you and Ray, well, it's both of us now.
Alright, how does it go? Right. You happy for me to go?
I'm happy.
I thought you wanted to say
No,
something.
only just while I was crossing the track.
Okay.
Enjoy your ride, Foxy.
Thank you, Jack.
There we go.
You grew up in Brighton, didn't you?
Yes.
Which school did you go to?
Why is that?
Which school did you go to?
Where did I go? Oh, but secondary or primary?
Secondary.
Oh, the drive. Very long.
Oh, right.
No, but it's... I don't know if you've heard it or not, but
it's quite small, isn't it?
don't know how much longer it will go on for, but that was a very long time ago now.
Yeah.
No, it was a very, very long time ago.
I didn't realise they did secondary.
And primary.
Yeah.
And no, when it goes from the juniors and then it finishes at year 11. But I did, years ago, used to grow up near Preston Park Station when I was very small. A very long time ago, that was, so, yes. Well, I wasn't born in Brighton, I was born in Eastbourne. That's again in East Sussex, but I've grown up in Brighton most of my life. Well, Brighton Hove region most of my life. But I've grown up there most of my life. I've grown up there.
Brothers and sisters?
I have a brother, yes. But he's younger than me. But we're close in age, 15 months age difference. So there's not too big a age gap. I have a brother. I have a brother. Yes, I have a brother. No, we do not differ in not too big age Oh, that was brilliant. Thank you very much.
It's all right.
It's a shame these retired from service.
I know.
One of the fastest trains in the past, about the 1980s, 1990s, as far as I know.
Yeah.